Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of MIS, Management Information System, I will discuss next topic. I have discussed till the time internet. Now I will discuss third network, extranet. Net stand for network. So as we know, internet is public network, intranet is private network. Similarly, third network, extranet. As its name suggests, extra. Extra means we are extending our old network. Intranet means private network को हम extra कर दें, so it will become semi-private network. So just remember it. Extranets are semi-private network. Same is written over here. Extranets are semi-private networks located in the corporate firewall. Firewall I have discussed. It is like protection system. It is a hardware or software which protects us from unauthorized access from our network. Okay, extranets semi-private. Just remember it. Internet is public network, intranet is private network, and extranets are semi-private. Means ना तो पूरी तरह से private है but ना public है. What does it mean? Means private network, you all know, which is inside the organization. Only organization members can use intranet. But sometimes some employee of organization who is working in the same organization, but for some time he or she is outside from office. He or she may have gone to another place for working. Okay, some customers and supplier may also can be attached with the network of organization, but it is not possible with the help of private network. Intranet में ये possible नहीं है. So we can extend intranet into extranet by providing some access to the employees who are working inside the organization, and also access to those organization who are the part of access to those members who are the part of the same organization but are working outside the organization. For example, some employees, customers, supplier also we can attach with the help of extranet. So here definition is there. Extranets are semi-private networks located in the corporate firewall which provide selective internal information to business partners such as clients, customers and suppliers, as well as to remote employees. Remote means distant, दूर. जो एम्प्लॉय दूर हैं, कस्टमर, सप्लायर और जो एम्प्लॉय दूर वर्क कर रहे हैं उनको भी आप अटैच कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ फायरवॉल. फायरवॉल इज अ नेटवर्क प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम which protects our network from unauthorized access. Means without permission कोई आ ना जाए. That's why we have firewall to protect. Extranet support activities such as sales and marketing, supply chain management, customer or product support, employee support, and office equipment and supply procurement. In other words, an extranet is a business-to-business internet that allows limited access. Will be limited here बिकॉज ये इंटरनेट नहीं है, अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस नहीं होगी, कंट्रोल्ड ऑल्सो, इंटरनेट की तरह कंट्रोल होगा, सिक्योर ऑल्सो. इट इज़ ऑल्सो सिक्योर लाइक इंटरनेट बिटवीन कंपनीज. इंटरनेट तो हो गई, एंड डेजिग्नेटेड ऑथेंटिकेटेड यूजर्स एज एट रिमोट लोकेशन. सो इट इज़ वर्किंग एज इंटरनेट प्लस इट इज़ अलाउड द मेम्बर्स हु आर वर्किंग एट रिमोट, मीन्स दूर वर्क कर रहे हैं बट दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो एन एक्स्ट्रानेट इज़ अ computer network that allows control access from the outside for specific business or educational purpose. Extranets are extensions. Yes, it is written extension means आगे बढ़ाना, और segment means part of private intranet. Extranet क्या है? इंट्रानेट की तरह ही सेम है. That have been built in many corporations for information sharing and e-commerce. E-commerce stand for electronic commerce and online business. I will discuss this topic in detail in next video. E-commerce. Most extranets use internet as the entry point for outsider. Okay, extranets में आप इंटरनेट यूज़ करते हो for outsider, but with firewall configuration means हर कोई नहीं आ सकता इंटरनेट में, पूरी पब्लिक नहीं आ सकती. Only those person which you allow with your internet connection with firewall protection to limit access and secure protocol for authenticating user. Authenticating means permission you are giving. So extranet is semi-private, having intranet and some internet to attach those workers or those members of organization which are the part of the same organization but are at the remote location, means they are working somewhere outside the organization. Next, some detail further is there. I am discussing that also. Here also something written about this. Extranet refers to network within organization. Yes, as we know, intranet is network within organization, and extranet is same network within organization using internet. But it also has some internet to connect the outsiders in controlled में. आउटसाइडर्स को भी आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट इन कंट्रोल. ये नहीं कि पूरी पब्लिक को इंटरनेट से आप एक्सेस करेंगे. ओनली दोज मेंबर्स हु आर वर्किंग आउटसाइड. इट हेल्प्स टू कनेक्ट बिजनेसेस विद देयर कस्टमर्स एंड सप्लायर. इसमें आप अटैच कर सकते हैं. इंटरनेट में पॉसिबल नहीं है कस्टमर्स को, सप्लायर को, बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग आउटसाइड. इंटरनेट में ओनली एम्प्लॉइज ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन can be attached with the network, but in extranet you can also connect business with customers and supplier, and therefore allows working in collaborative manner. Collaborative means joint, एक साथ काम करवा सकते हैं by supplier, customer and business. Here is a diagram. In this diagram you can clearly see extranet. You can see 4 systems are there in extranet in the company. Okay, and after that there is a firewall, means protection for saving network from unauthorized access. Then there is internet connection for 2 other users, individual users who are the part of a company but not inside the company, so they are outside, so they are connected using internet with firewall. But firewall hoga so that no virus or no unauthorized person or system can access our protected network. So it is also secure. It is larger than intranet but smaller than internet. It is also very secure network. Controlled है, secure है. Okay, that's extranet. So it has features of both intranet and extranet both. Intranet and internet, it has features of both. That's why we call it semi-private. Means ये आधा private है, आधा public है. It has both the features of intranet and internet. Intranet use हो रहा है because it is using inside the organization. It is secure. It is used inside, so it is internet, but we are also providing internet with firewall protection for some users who are part of same organization but are at remote location or working outside the organization. That's all about extranet. So today I have discussed third network, extranet. Just learn it, write it. Very important topic it is. It will definitely be asked in your exam. Internal paper में भी ज़रूर आएगा. That's very important. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.